this MJJC Pro version 3 foam cannon. I bought it directly from the manufacturer's website. Note to any users interested in this, make sure to ask them for a discount because they do throw in a 10% discount just for the sake of asking. So on top of unboxing it, I'm going to compare it with my Griot's Garage Boss foam cannon, which I'm partial to. So let's take a look and see what's inside of here. So the box arrived with the foam cannon, and they included this separate quick connect adapter as well as 2 washer rings. So let's cut the seal and see what's inside. All right. All right. So they changed the original casing because initially the production of the Pro version 3 had a different type of a plastic container, and I understand that the thing used to break with minimal drop height, so they chose something that's a little bit more durable now. I'm not a professional detailer, so I'm getting this at the consumer pace. This was recently released, I think about a month ago. If you weren't a professional detailer like Pan the Organizer, you didn't have any chance of getting it. So I'm just a regular commoner or plebeian that's getting this. So move this to the side here. Okay, sorry, a little bit of technical difficulties. You lose some of your dexterity with these gloves, but they look so cool that I just wanted to keep them on. I almost look like Salt Bae here. Okay, all right. So there are different filters, I guess replacement filters for the foam cannon. Let's put these to the side. And I'll figure out as I go with you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a comparison with the Griot's foam cannon. And the formulation is going to be the same in both foam cannons. I'm gonna do 1 liter of warm water to 1 ounce of Incredible Suds. Okay, you always wanna add the water first. Okay. This has a larger tank capacity, but they still recommend 1 liter, and I did spill some. Here we go. All right. Okay, so 1 ounce Incredible Suds. 1 for you. And the rest I'll just throw in the clean wash bucket. Because I'm going to do a hand, for the contact wash, I was doing a 2-bucket method. I filled that with turtle wax, slip and slide, but so this is for the Griots. Okay. And this is the MJJC. So this is gonna go on a cool, dry car right now, and I'm gonna equalize for the time.
Did the garbage truck just come by?
No.
It didn't come here? They destroyed our mailbox.
What do you mean?
The valet people just came and showed me a picture. They said the garbage truck came and he was reversing, and instead of going around the circle, they hit the mailbox and it's destroyed.
Oh, really?
Yeah, on the floor, like destroyed.
Acha. Hey, I'm all done with the wash. Both foam cannons performed extremely well. If you think about it, my car has PPF, it has ceramic coating. I did a ceramic boost layer a week ago to the entire vehicle. And despite that, the foam clung onto the vehicle extremely well for that duration of time. And, you know, I don't really know too many foam cannons in my limited experience that would be able to replicate those results. If I had to pick a winner, it would be difficult, but I think the MJJC side, whether it came through or not, the foam was clinging a little bit more densely to that side after the 13 minutes that I'd left it on. Now, think of that. That's a nuanced finding, 13 minutes. Nobody does an outside wash and leaves foam on their vehicle for 13 minutes. I wasn't intending to do it myself, but I ran into a little bit of a catastrophe that I had to sort out. I just let the video run while I was doing that. So anyways, I hope you found this video informative. I think that you wouldn't go wrong with adding either of these foam cannons to your collection. I know that I'm certainly excited to add the MJJC to my arsenal of tools. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.